Today, at long last, I've decided to show you guys around my house. To some, this may look like a minimalist home, and to others, it may not, but I've been decluttering for a few years now, and I'm quite happy with where I'm at. When you walk in the front door, you enter our entryway, where we have a side table where I keep my purse and my sunglasses, a little bench, and of course, the coat closet, which I've actually made an entire video about, and I'll link that in the description below. Next is our living room. We have quite high 12-foot ceilings throughout, which really helps to make the space look a lot lighter and larger than it actually is. There's quite a lot of furniture in this room, but because many of the pieces have open frames, they don't tend to look too bulky. We also have two built-in bookcases, which I know some are going to say aren't very minimal, but I'm happy with them for now. Through the archway, you get our kitchen/dining space. I love that the house is technically open plan, but you still get a little bit of a divider between the spaces with the archway. This is also where we keep all of our paperwork, and it's where our cat eats. This is our kitchen. We have a ton of storage, really a lot more storage than we actually need, but I do like that it keeps our things tucked away and out of sight. I'm not going to show you into every cabinet, but here is where we keep our dinnerware. Here's where we keep our mugs and glasses. And here's a random utensil drawer that I opened. We also have a tiny cactus, finger for scale. Moving on from the kitchen, we have a pretty standard utility closet where we keep things like our vacuum, paper products, and then miscellaneous things like our cat's carrier, some candles I'm using up, and a bunch of cleaning supplies I've kept mostly out of shame. Next is our guest bathroom, which you also may have seen in a previous video. Here we have all of the normal accoutrements you provide for guests, and it's also our cat's bathroom, but nobody needs to know that. Moving on, you get our guest room / my husband's office and gaming room. This room used to be packed full of all of our stuff, but we've made a lot of progress and now it can accommodate guests as is. Since I've shown you everything else, you might as well see our laundry closet, where we keep, of course, our washer and dryer, laundry cleaning supplies, and our extra linens. Our master bedroom came painted the same dark gray color as the entryway, which I love because it's dramatic yet calming, and I didn't have to pick the color. We have two side-by-side closets, one for my non-minimalist husband and one for me. We also have a giant floor mirror, which you've probably seen if you watch my videos or follow me on Instagram. Finally, we have our master bathroom. I made a video about this space when we had it renovated a few months ago, so if you want to see into every drawer and cabinet, you can find it and all of the other videos that I've made that correspond to various parts of my house in the description. Thank you so much for watching my house tour. If you want to see videos of all of the decluttering that I've done in my wardrobe and around my home over the last year, check out my channel and subscribe.